Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a BTwin 120 bike lock. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try and open it with the bolt cutters today. And then, if we've got time, I'll try and open it with the shears. Let's get that in there. Nope. That's it. Very easy. Just like that. Less than 10 seconds. Here's the little shears. Now, what catches you out is that the thing's coated in, it's coated in plastic, so it's kind of hard to get in there. You can buy these shears over the counter for nothing. I'm struggling because I've got to get around the back of it. That's it, under a minute. Thanks for watching, see you later.